Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 15. A plant-like feature in Euglena is the A. pellicle, B. pigment spots, C. large spots, and D. gullets. Now, an Euglena is a plant-like, and also an animal-like protist. That is, Euglena belongs to both the class Protophyta and also the class Protozoa, because they possess both what plant-like and animal-like features, and they are protists. Now, the plant-like feature in Euglena is the presence of the chloroplast, and this chloroplast enables Euglena to manufacture its own food. Now, this chloroplast is also known as the pigment spots that contains the chlorophyll, the pigment spots. The animal feature now in Euglena is the presence of the pellicle. Now, this pellicle is also known as what? The gullet. But the question here is asking us for the plant-like feature in Euglena, and that is the chloroplast, which is also known as the pigment spots. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.